Looking at perhaps my favorite of all my nailers or staple guns, this one is actually a pin nailer for fine finish work. It's from Bosch and it is cordless on their 18-volt line. Let's check it out. If you can't tell, I'm really excited by some of the new features on this 23 gauge pin nailer, but you have to kind of be pulled into the system, and what pulled me into Bosch's line of tools was their new drill with anti-kickback control. So if you're already on the Bosch line, this is a no-brainer, but it's got some really neat features to look at. Now the headless pins load in a traditional way. Just make sure that they go under this little black rail here, and then you can lock the magazine clip in place. And this one actually has an LED light that comes on, so I haven't seen that before in a cordless nailer, so that's a really nice feature as well. Plus there's a feature that I always like to see on high-end nailers, and that's a depth of drive adjustment. This one is actually tool-free, so I was really glad they kept that feature even though this is a cordless model. I got this nailer as a tool only because I already had 18-volt batteries from Bosch, and these are 2 ampere hour that I recommend for this nailer, and these are just fantastic lightweight batteries. Now fastener length is always a consideration with these nail guns, and this one will drive headless pins from 5/8 all the way up to 1 3/8 inches long. Let's see how that does in some sandy ply. Looks like it's driving them nice and flush, and one thing I noticed is there's no delay between shots. You can just keep on working. Now let's try it with some hardwood. Here I've got maple attached to that plywood. Let's see how that does. There you go. So various materials, works really well. I'm just loving this cordless nailer. I was curious on this one what actually activated the LED light that's built in, and it turns out it'll come on either with the trigger or just by depressing the nose piece. Nice. There's a couple more important features on this model. It comes with 2 of these anti-marring tips, and you'll notice one is a little bit smaller, and that's actually my favorite because it lets me set the fastener flush or even a little deeper than flush, even when you're working with hardwoods or dense material. Another reason I like that smaller tip is just the fact that you can see better, so it helps with accurate placement of the pin. And there's even onboard storage for either tip, whichever one you're not using, just store right here. That's kind of handy. And finally, there's an anti-dry fire mechanism so that if you have 4 fasteners or less in the magazine, it actually will disable the gun and it won't let it shoot that. So that's perfect for trim work, just because you don't want to blow a hole in your material if you're not driving a fastener. And that's where it stopped. Must have 4 fasteners left, so that's working perfectly. Now these aren't Bosch pins, they're actually a different brand, but usually they have directional arrows on them to help you get them inserted the right way, and they work pretty good. I'm really curious to see what this one weighs because it does feel quite light in the hands, but in bare tool form it comes in 3 pounds 12 ounces. And even with that slim 2 ampere hour battery, looks like we weigh about 4 pounds 9 ounces, so that is really lightweight. Now I've been waiting a long time for a cordless nail gun to be this light and compact, and finally it feels the way I want it to. In fact, it doesn't weigh much more than just a standard pneumatic nail gun, but of course you get all the benefits that come with this, like not having to mess with the compressor, not having to mess with air hoses, and plus you even get that LED light that comes on when you depress the trigger. So I think this is actually a fantastic add-on for Bosch, and if you're already on their 18-volt line of tools, this 23 gauge pin nailer would be a great choice.